Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all curry lovers and chicken enthusiastic as we are taking you on a culinary adventure to explore the most famous Indian dish, and that is Chicken Tikka Masala. Chicken Tikka Masala might be a household name now, but its origin is shrouded in delicious mystery. This creamy tomato based curry with tender marinated chicken is a worldwide favorite, and for a good reason. Get ready for a flavor explosion in every bite. This succulent chicken tikka cooked to perfection and is bathed in a creamy and flavorful sauce. It's a symphony of textures and taste. So ditch the takeout menu and create a restaurant worthy chicken tikka masala at home. Let's get cooking and unlock the secret of this iconic dish. So now let's begin. So first take 600 grams chicken breast cut in medium pieces. Add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/3 cup yogurt or curd. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 stock cube. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add half tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon red food color, and give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about 1 hour. Then take a blender jar, add 3 tomatoes, and add 2 tablespoon water, and blend this until it is nice and smooth puree. So the puree is ready now. Make sure the puree is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then simply fry the marinated chicken until the chicken is cooked properly. You can also bake the chicken in the oven if you like. Save this chicken marinade to use it later. As you can see, the chicken is perfectly cooked, it's nice and juicy. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped, and fry this until the onion is soft. Then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then add the leftover chicken marination. Then fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the tomato puree which was previously made, and then cook this for about 2 minutes. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon coriander powder. Then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the cooked chicken and give this a nice mix. Then add 1 cup water and give this a mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. And cook it until the oil separates. Something like this. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Half tablespoon chicken masala. 2 tablespoon butter. 1/3 cup cream. And then give this a nice mix. Then boil it until the curry is nice and thick. Then give this a mix. Check if it needs any more salt. If required, then please do add. Add some salt to taste and give this a final mix. And there you have it guys, a steaming plate of chicken tikka masala ready to transport you on a flavor adventure. Look at that vibrant red sauce and those tender juicy chicken pieces. A feast for the eyes and a customized classic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes like this one. If you prefer a thicker sauce, simply simmer it for a few more minutes at the end. Oops, almost forgot. The perfect pair for chicken tikka masala, steaming basmati rice or fluffy naan bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. Now go forth and create your own chicken tikka masala masterpiece. This recipe is a great starting point for exploring the vibrant world of Indian cuisine. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.